Why, hello there. It's me, making another video for you to see. And because it's Pride Month, I'm going to be doing something based off of Pride. And in this case, I'm going to be explaining some 6 easy ways to be genderqueer. And we're just going to say trooper queer for the meme. Alright, so as you can see here, we have one type of trooper and another type of trooper. A clone trooper and a stormtrooper. And those are just going to represent male and female for us, because it's simple this way. Now, the first easy way to be trooper queer is to be both a clone trooper and a stormtrooper. And an easy example of that is the stormtrooper, who is also a clone. All the stormtroopers, according to Lego, are this. The second type of way to be trooper queer is to be any type of trooper that isn't a storm or a clone trooper. So we have this little rebel guy right there, but this could represent the PDFs, this could be Naboo's thing, this could be the Celestins, it could be the Mon Calamari, it could be anybody who's a trooper, but not a clone or a stormtrooper. Now, you could also be someone who isn't a trooper at all. I mean, that's a lot of people in the Star Wars universe. Not so much inside of the gender world for humans here on Earth, but they definitely exist. And we're not going to fault them just because they aren't wearing some cool white armor. Now, the fourth way to be trooper queer is to be kinda clone trooper, but, you know, not exactly. And kind of a stormtrooper, but not exactly. Like this post-episode 3 Phase 2 clone trooper. Are they a stormtrooper? I mean, kinda. But they're not exactly a GAR clone trooper anymore. I mean, they're kinda skating that line. And that's okay. These guys are cool. But, you know, they're different. There's another type of trooper, and that's a very specific type of non-clone, non-stormtrooper trooper. I mean, they're pretty, you know, confusable with this guy over here, the general trooper. However, this is more specific. It's a defined thing. This is absolutely a Senate commando. This isn't general trooperdom. It's a Senate commando. It's a trooper of its own, so to speak. Oh, I just dropped the guy. Well, that's cool, because we are almost done. Because we also have the last type of trooper queer person. And that is a person who is a clone trooper, is an unaffiliated trooper, and is also a stormtrooper. And we're going to represent that with Rex, because he is obviously a clone trooper, and he's also a rebel trooper, but he's also been a stormtrooper. And with him, we round out all of the types of trooper queer people. Now, you could say that these fit in an array kind of similar to this, where Rex is all of them, the stormtroopers encompass a couple of these people, these guys sit in the outskirts, and these guys kind of sit outside. And for the spectrum, I think this is a pretty picture. And I think our little galaxy is best respecting all of these people and their little integrated or unintegrated real identities. Hope you guys like this. This is definitely a departure from my usual content. I think I tried something like this last year. Didn't work out too well. But yeah.